Next, another important part is the pelvic outlet, and this is the outlet, and the shape of the outlet is almost diamond shaped. This one, then this. If I keep here, you follow this outlet. This is one boundary, this is another one, then my finger and the tip of the coccyx. The shape of this one, it is almost diamond shaped. Then what are the boundaries? Anteriorly, you can see this is one ligament is there called arcuate pubic ligament here. And this one is ischiopubicus rami anterolaterally. And on both sides laterally ischial tuberosity, these two. And posterolaterally here is the sacrotuberous ligament, and posteriorly is the tip of the coccyx. So anterior, anterolateral, lateral, posterolateral and posterior of both sides will form a diamond shaped area. This is the boundary of pelvic outlet. And the plane of pelvic outlet, I already told you, this is the plane of pelvic outlet, this one, and it forms an angle of about 10 to 15 degree with the horizontal plane. And this angle between the two pubic arch, this is called subpubic angle. This is very important when you will go to differentiate the male pelvis from female pelvis. This angle is very important, called subpubic angle. And like that of pelvic brim or pelvic inlet, the pelvic outlet also having three dimensions: anteroposterior, oblique and transverse. The anteroposterior diameter is measured from the tip of the coccyx. Coccyx is not there, but coccyx will be there. From coccyx, tip of the coccyx to the symphysis pubis in front. This is the anteroposterior diameter of the pelvic outlet, this one. And the oblique diameter from the midpoint of sacroiliac joint. This is sacroiliac joint here. This one, take a point here in the middle and you extend this midpoint to the midpoint of ischiopubicus rami. This is ischiopubicus rami or junction. So here you will draw another line joining these 2 points. That will be the oblique diameter. You can see from this side also. From this side also. This is the oblique diameter of pelvic outlet. And transverse diameter is measured from the 2 points on the ischial tuberosity, called bituberous diameter. This one. This is the transverse diameter, or this is the transverse diameter. So these are the 3 important diameters of pelvic outlet, and their measurements also different. Particularly these diameters are important in case of female, because the female are going to deliver the baby through the outlet. So to know the dimensions are very important. For the female, the anteroposterior diameter, it is about 12.5 centimeter, and oblique diameter, it is about 11.8 centimeter, and transverse diameter also 11.8 centimeter. So both the transverse diameter and oblique diameter are same, that is 11.8, but the anteroposterior diameter is more than the oblique and transverse, and that is about 12.5 centimeter. So these are the 3 important diameter of the pelvic outlet.